So I got my hands on the Twin Peaks, the entire mystery box set and the missing pieces. I am so jammed. I was there, an OG fan back in the 90s. It blew my mind. It literally blew my head off as a teen, as you can imagine. And I am just so excited to get into this. Love David Lynch then and now. Rest in peace, my love. And I also love the third season that was done a few years ago. Absolutely, I loved it. But anyway, this is the first two seasons. You know, Dale Cooper, we got Wyndham Earl, we've got the whole shebang. So let's have a look and see what you get inside. So on the front, you've got this kind of raised lip here, so it kind of feels like it's 3D. I'll show you that as well. You've got this plastic wrap around here. Time Mystery revealed, all the pieces that have been put together, the complete TV series, Fire Walk with Me, and the missing pieces, the documentary scenes and things like that. I can't wait. So okay, let's just open it up so you see what you can get. And it's got this lovely hinged lid. You've got the lovely Twin Peaks scene, the Great Northern. Welcome to Twin Peaks. Love it. I had the board game as well, which I think now is worth very lots of money, but I haven't got it anymore. My mum threw it away. Anyway, you got the Robin from the opening sequences. I've got the first season, the original pilot, alternative international pilot. Oh yeah, because I think in the UK we had a different pilot. I don't know why. Episodes 1 and 2, special features, and disc 2, or the rest of season 1. There we go. More beautiful scenes of the Packard Sawmill. If you know, you know. Got your disc there. We've got the Great Northern again. Lovely. I hope Bob doesn't jump out at me. Oh, big head. Oh, God, Nadine. There we go. Gosh, this is lovely, isn't it? What a lovely box set. Let's see. Railway Tracks, where Ronette Pulaski was. God, I haven't watched it for 20 years. I still remember it all. And then we've got this 3, 4 through to 8 with the special features as well. The owls. They're not what they seem. Another disc there. Double R Dino. God bless Norma. Another disc. Great Northern. Oh, that cherry pie. Always wanted to be a bookhouse boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where's the Major? I'm so pumped, can you tell? Got the bar. Red Room, obviously. Oh God. It scared the producers at me. There we go. There we go. Then we got the Fire Walk with Me. I thought was very underrated personally. I thought it was a really good film. I loved it. The Blue Rose. Oh, beautiful. I loved her. I had the books as well, I have to say. I had the books, the board game, t-shirts, anything that was available I had. What's this? This might be a spoiler and I don't know. Oh no! No, he didn't. Look at that. That's like a little thing. I think that's the end. Is that the end? I think that is the end. Oh, how lovely is that? All the thought that's gone into that. Ooh, love it. Anyway, that was my little show and tell. Geeking out. I'm going to be slamming that this weekend. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did back in the day and today. I'm going to be enjoying every one of this second, probably reciting every word of script that I can remember, which is about 90% of it. And if you get it and leave a good review on the Amazon as well, I'm sure that everyone else would appreciate you geeking out as well. Thank you very much for watching.